Hello, this is the lecture number 11 for the chapter differential equation for the class 12th, and in this lecture we are starting with the miscellaneous exercise of the NCERT book. Now in question number 1 of this miscellaneous exercise, you have to find the degree and the order of the following differential equation. The first is d square y upon dx square plus 5 and dy upon dx का whole square x minus 6y is equal to log x. Now the order of the differential equations, the highest derivative in the differential equation. The order of this differential equation is 2 because the highest derivative here is second order derivative, and the degree of the differential equation is the power of the highest derivative with the condition that the equation should be a polynomial in terms of dy dx, and it means the polynomial in terms of dy dx means that the power of the dy dx should be a whole number. So it is a polynomial in terms of dy dx because the power of dy dx and this is 2 and this is 1, and if it is a polynomial in terms of dy dx, then the power of the highest derivative, which is here as 1, is the degree of the given differential equation. So the order is the highest derivative in the differential equation and the degree is the power of the highest derivative in the differential equation. Now then the second part, we have dy upon dx का whole cube minus 4 d by dx upon x का whole square plus 7y is equal to sine x. So with the same condition, because the highest derivative here is only dy dx and dy dx, so it means the order of differential equation is 1 and the degree of this differential equation is the power of the highest derivative, which is the 3, which is degree here is 3 because it is a polynomial in terms of dy dx. Let us take the third part. We have the d की power 4y upon dy upon dx, and it is a power, it is a fourth derivative, and it is its order is 4 because here the highest derivative is 4 and it is not a polynomial in terms of dy dx because here the dy dx is the angle of sine. So its order is 4 and degree is not defined. So this is how you have to find the order and degree of the given differential equation. Now in question number 2 of this exercise, miscellaneous exercise, this is based on to prove that the given value of y is satisfy this given differential equation. So we have this value of y, which is y is equal to a e की power x plus b e की power minus x plus x square, and you have to prove that the second derivative minus y plus x square minus 2 equal to 0. So you have to prove this. Now what you have to do, you have to find its first derivative, then you have to find its second derivative and replace these values in the given left hand side. You will get the equal to 0. To find its first derivative, we have a e की power x and its first derivative is minus b e की power minus x का derivative e की power minus x into minus 1 plus 2x. This is the first derivative. Now you have to find its second derivative. Again you find its second derivative. Again a e की power x का derivative a की power x and b की power minus x का derivative, it is b e की power minus x into minus 1. So it will become b e की power minus x and it is equal to 2. So this is the value of its second derivative. Now when you put in the left hand side in this given equation the value of the second derivative, minus y is a e की power x plus b e की power minus x plus x square and minus 2. You'll get the value as 0. This will be cancelled out with this will be cancelled out with this, and this will be cancelled out with this, and the x square, here also we have the x square minus 2, and this will be cancelled out with this. and minus 2 is this. So you are getting 0 as the right hander. Simply you have to put the value of the second derivative and the value of y in this equation. You'll get the right hand side. So this is the question number 1, first part. Similarly, you have to prove the second part, in which you have to prove that it is given that the y is equal to e की power x into a cos x plus b sin x, and you have to prove that the second derivative minus 2 times first derivative plus 2y equal to 0. This you have to prove equal to 0. To find its first derivative, so d by dx will be equal to, you have to use the product rule. First of all, I have differentiated e की power x, then I have differentiated this a cos x plus b sin x, which is minus a sin x plus b cos x. Now to simplify it, I can put this as equal to y. So its first derivative is equal to y plus e की power x minus a sin x plus b cos x. This type of question you have done in your third exercise, where you have to form a differential equation eliminating the two arbitrary constant a and b. The same question was there. Now again differentiate it. Second derivative, it will be d by dx, and here you have to use the product rule. First of all, differentiate e की power x a sin x plus b cos x, and now differentiate this bracket. It will be minus a sin x minus ka a cos x and minus ka b sin x is the derivative of this term. Now if you see it very carefully, this is the second derivative. Now you can easily put the value of this as this d by dx minus y from this. E की power x minus a sin x plus b cos x is equal to d by dx minus y, d by dx minus y, and if you see it very carefully, this is equal to this, that is minus y. This is equal to minus y, equal to 0. Rather, it is not equal to 0. Now if you take this all term to the left hand side, you will get the required equation. So it is d by dx plus d by dx, it is 2 d by dx, so minus 2 d by dx, minus y, it is 2y, so plus 2y equal to 0. So in this question, we have differentiated 2 times and taken that all the terms to the same side to obtain this equation. The second way is that we find the first derivative and second derivative, put the value of second derivative, first derivative and the value of y and solve it, you will get 0. But in that case, in this question, the question will become very, very big. So this is the question number 2, second part. Now let us take the question number 2, third part. Again, we have y is equal to x sin 3x, and you have to prove that the second derivative plus 9y minus 6 cos 3x equal to 0. You have to prove it. So you can proceed as usual. Find the first derivative. You have to use the product rule. First I have differentiated this x, then I have differentiated this sin 3x, which will be 3 cos 3x. This is the first derivative. Now you can easily find its second derivative, which is, again, you have to use the product rule here. You have to use the product rule here. It is 3 cos 3x, and if you use the product rule here, it will be derivative of x is 1 cos 3x, and the derivative of cos 3x will be minus 3 sin 3x. So it will be x minus ka 3 sin 3x, or x is already there. Yala. So this is the second derivative of this differential this equation. So you are getting this as the second derivative 3 cos 3x, it will be 3 cos 3x plus rather 9x sine 3x. You are getting this, and it will be equal to second derivative. This is second derivative. It is 3 plus 3, it will become 6 cos 3x. It becomes 6 cos 3x, and this is equal to minus, and this is equal to y. Now when you take all these terms to the same side, you are getting this second derivative plus का 9y minus का 6 cos 3x equal to 0, which is, you have to prove this. So somewhat easy question this is, in which you have to prove this expression. Now in question number 2, it is fourth part. In the fourth part we have x square is equal to 2y square log y, and you have to prove that x square plus y square d by dx minus x into y equal to 0. This you have to prove in the fourth part of this question number 2. So as usual, first of all differentiate it. You will have, see it here, we have only the first derivative. So 2x, it will be 2, you have to use the product rule here. It will be 1 upon y d by dx, and because we have differentiated y, plus the square derivative of y square is 2y log y. This is the product rule we have used here. It is 2y d by dx also will be there, because you have differentiated y square. It will be d by dx also here. So this is the derivative of this right hand side. Now you can take d by dx common here. So it will be 2y, multiply this by this, it will be 4y log y. 4y log y. So it will be, you can take 2 common, it will be cancelled out with the left hand side. So it will be d by dx y plus 2y log y. Take 2 common from this, and this left hand side to be cancelled out both sides. Now because it is minus x into y, so we can multiply both side by y. Multiplying both side by y, so it will become d by dx y square plus 2y square log y. Y square plus 2 log square y. And if you see it carefully, this is equal to how much? This is equal to x square. So you can easily put d by dx y square plus x square, x into y. Now this is same as we have to prove. This we have to prove. So this is the last part of this question number 2. See it carefully. Two y square log y is equal to x square. It is given in the question. Now in question number 4, what you have to, rather in question number 3, form a differential equation of the family of the curve denoted by this x minus y ka whole square plus 2y square is equal to a square, where a is the arbitrary constant. And this question you have already done in your third exercise, where you have to find the equation of the circle with the center at the on the x-axis. So because we have only one arbitrary constant, so you have to eliminate this by differentiating only one time. So what I have done, I have find the square of this x minus a ka whole square. A square will be cancelled out with this square, so you can differentiate it. Minus 2a plus 2 rather 4y d by dx equal to 0. Now you can easily find the value of a is equal to 2a. A will be equal to x plus 2y d by dx, and you can put this value of a in this here. You can put the value of x in the original equation. Sorry, here you can put the value of a. यहाँ पर आप a की value replace करके you can eliminate the value of a, which will you get the differential equation of this family of curve. So this is the question number 3 of your miscellaneous exercise. Okay, we'll continue in the next lecture. Thank you.